All right, so my first new pieces for my bike's coming in. Pretty much I'm gonna have total different bike, 2024, different look. I guess it won't be totally different, but it'll definitely be a different look. It'll definitely catch your attention because it's gonna be different. So first, first new pieces to start changing it up and going with this color scheme that I'm going with now. They came in. I had another piece come in, but it's basically just a replacement of item that broke, which is the reason why everything is changing now. But we'll get to that later. But this here, first set of pieces coming in, changing up the scheme of the bike. What we got in here. And of course, that's nice. That's a little extra piece, free gift that came with it. But of course, we got the ASV 11s. If you saw my last video, you'll realize that I am going away from the EV levers because they are no longer reliable. So I have jumped over and got these ASVs. And typically, if I was going with my typical color scheme, they'd be pretty much gold, but they're not. They're black and gold, pretty much reverse. So that's kind of a hint of where I'm going with these. They feel real nice and heavy too. Nice heavy feel to them. Oh yeah, these are gonna look nice. These are gonna look nice. So I'm gonna do this clutch side first because it'll be the most difficult for me. And I also stripped the little screws that go into the pretty much the actuator on the bottom. So I bought new screws because I'm telling you, the others are stripped. And this is gonna be the most difficult part of changing out the levers. The brake side will be pretty simple. This side is going to be difficult, mainly because I stripped out the bottom of those. I stripped out those screws last time I changed my levers. So, got this on. I just gotta adjust it and we're good to go. Got a lot of play. So I'm just gonna twist right here and adjust it, tighten it back up, and be good to go.